Hi, it's Lori Goto, Uncle Real Estate. I want to tell you about Freddie Mac's offer on choice renovation mortgage loans. So they're offering actually a mortgage loan where you can actually rehab a house. So let's say you buy a property for 100,000 and you need another 50 to 70K to rehab the house. The appraised value you can take of, let's say the appraised value is 200,000 on the property, you can take up to 75% of the loan amount appraised value to complete the house. They also will give you up to 15 months to repair the house to its condition. You do have to owner occupy the property. So it's just something to think about, options for you to buy a property that maybe needs some fixing up. So choice renovation with Freddie Mac is an option for you. Give me a call if you have any questions, 512-461-1577 on Core Real Estate.